you ever heard of Larry Hounce? He's a microgreen grower who only uses cocoa coir to grow microgreens. What do you think? And what's your experience about growing in jute or coir? Thanks so much. Is Larry that dude we did a video with from the field? Stephen Cornett did a video for us not too long ago. That guy in San Diego who was doing that. It was all in coir. It's more readily available and cheaper down in the South. So it can work. I've never been a fan of it. I just find it too much work because I wanted, there was 1 year where I wanted to switch everything over to coir, and I bought a ton because I knew a guy who was distributing it and he gave me a decent deal on it, and I bought a ton of it. And I had to desalinate all of it, which was a pain in the ass. It took a lot of time. And so that kind of turned me off it there because it was just a step that I didn't want to have to take. So I don't have a ton of experience with coir, but I know people use it, and it can work fine. But that's really all I know. Jute, I've used jute mats. I have some actually right here. I've got some hemp fiber and some jute ones, and I'll show you real quick. These jute mats. So I got these sent to me as a trial product. I forget what the company's called. And it's a neat product because it's clean, and you just put it on the flat. It's pre-cut. It's your 1020. The one thing I noticed with growing with this stuff with microgreens is that you don't get the same. You get a yield that's close enough, but you don't have the same window of time to harvest. You gotta, I remember my first trials on these, I did a bunch of different types of brassicas. And if I didn't harvest those right when they were ready, they went yellow because there's nothing in this. There's no substance to it. It's just a medium. But besides from that, it's kind of easy. It's expensive though. These aren't cheap. These cost I forget what the price is, but it was somewhere around 4 or 5 times more than soil. So yeah, it's less work. But you take it, you put it on the mat. Okay, it's done. Soil, you take a cup, put it on there, spread it out. You got to press it down. Yeah, maybe takes another minute to do a flat, but I don't know if the price is justified with this stuff. So that's just my thinking on it.